See you later, George. Bye bye. I'm on my way down to the second round of the MX Liga in central Estonia. I decided to make a quick stop at a place called Põltsamaa, and yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice day today. It's riding a hard pack track, so that's gonna be the first time I've not been on sand since I came to Estonia. So yeah, gonna make a vlog. Check it out. Hello. I'm racing.
Huh?
Racing, riding.
Racing, race.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Hello. Yeah, Sam Jones.
Ah, you are registered?
Pardon? Yes, I'm registered, yeah.
Your number is?
178.
178. Sam Jones.
That's me.
Okay.
Thank you. Great, thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you very much. Just about to head down to qualification. Qualified second. Happy days.
Second time in qualifying, yes.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. That's the one. Cheers, man. Take it easy. Hey, cheers, Allo.
1, 2, 3.
There we go.
Thanks,
Cheers, man.
hommikul siin ka nägin, kuidas teised tegid. Ei olnud ja tõuseb üles tahvel 15. 15 tahvel on üle täpselt. You have any question? No?
Just when you turn 5, you can drop any second in the next 5 seconds, yeah?
I will tell you. It's 15 is 15 always.
Yeah.
And if it's 5, it's by the rules it's 5 till 10, but we do it between 5 till 7. No more than 7.
Yeah. Cool first race. I won, which is pretty decent. I had to follow the leader for a few laps. He was going a good pace and it's a pretty hard track to pass on, so that hopefully get some good footage. So yeah, I managed to get past him, got a bit of a gap, and then kind of rode my own race for a while, and then I got pretty tired at the end, so the last 3 laps seemed to go on forever, and the guy actually ended up catching me up quite close, but still won the race by about 3 or 4 seconds, so it's all good. Good fun. Right, let me get ready and go down. Day finished at round 2 of the MX Liga here at Linnamäe. Good day again, 2 wins. So yeah, just loving the Estonian motocross scene. It's epic.
Yeah, it's for you.